Hey all, first time RVers, how you doing? We are finally camping again. It is Oktoberfest weekend in Myrtle Beach. But first things first, of course, a repair. This door's finally had it to the bathroom. So I'm gonna get this thing repaired, but stay tuned for a fun weekend here in Barefoot RV Resort. Welcome back. There's the door. Let me show you what happens when you make doors out of cardboard, MDF, whatever you want to call it. The screws just pull right out from bouncing down the road, I'm sure. Oop. But I'm gonna get some glue in these holes and much longer screws. Hopefully that'll hold. But this door is pretty darn heavy, so I don't know. But hopefully it'll hold for, yeah, look at that. Look how close to that joint that hole was. All right, let me get this done and we'll get the day started. Door's done. Working again. Wasn't hard, but it took a little bit of time. It would have been best to take this piece of trim off, but then I would have had to put that piece of trim back on. And then I just put 6 screws, probably twice as long as what was in there. So hopefully it'll hold. One of the many things I like about Barefoot RV Resort is it's so close to the beach. It's about a half-a-mile walk. There's the park right behind us. And it is just a half-a-mile walk straight down. Or bike ride, or car ride, or whatever. Not only do you have the beach, but you got a hardware store, Ace Hardware, you got Food Lion, all walking distance, very quick. And you have a place we've eaten a couple times. The Horst Gasthaus. Guess that's how you say it. German cuisine, very good. Great place to eat. We're gonna walk to the beach, hang out there for a little bit, and then get the day started. Once you get to the end where the beach is, the last street there, make a left, and you'll see a very small area right behind me for public beach access. It's maybe a block down. So it's only about a 15-minute walk to get to the beach. Made it to River City Cafe. Why is it one of our favorite places to eat in Myrtle Beach? Because they have some strange burgers, like the fried mac and cheese burger. Not only do they have things like the nacho crunch burger, peanut butter bacon burger, but you can get everything and the kitchen sink, I guess, and the oh my god burger. Not only is it the kooky burgers, but it's the decor. Of course, TVs. But look, all the license plates. Oktoberfest festivities start when?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock? 20 minutes. Last night we rode our e-bikes to Barefoot Landing. We did again today. But Oktoberfest is starting right over that way, so let's head over. Bar's going strong at noon. Punch plug, no punch back. They have a bunch of vendors out. That plane is landing right by our campground. This is put on by the Humane Society of Horry County, so you can buy a $10 bracelet. And then a bunch of stores throughout and restaurants and stuff are giving you 10% off your purchase. There's the adoption bus.
Sour Patch. Good. Good.
How was it?
good.
Looks like sugar water to me.
Mm-hmm.
With a spritzer. It has been a couple years since we've been here, and they've added 20 new spots and another pool and like lazy river and stuff. So let's check that out real quick. If you look at these sites though, I mean, the grass is beautiful. It's kept real well. So basically, right where this Coleman trailer is where the new sites start. All this back here. But there is a airfield right there. Maddie, there are, I don't know, maybe 15 back-in sites and maybe 5 or 6, maybe 7 pull-through sites. This would be a nice site right here. Look at that lawn you get. And all the palm trees and the lights lighting up the palm trees. It really is beautiful. And here's your second bathhouse. And the last time we were here, the first bathhouse wasn't even finished. And here's the pool. Let's go inside and take a look. Unfortunately, the pool closes 30 minutes before sunset, which you can see happening behind us there. Or I guess behind you, actually. But here's the new pool. Little kids play area. And this is a little bit of a pool here, and then the lazy river goes around. It really is nice. Decent number of seats all around. Some picnic tables over here. And remember, there's only 98 sites, so they have that original pool, and then they have this secondary pool, lazy river, kids play area. Perfect, perfect. And this is the original section. With the pool and the airport behind it. And they're down to 6 cottages. They did have more than that, but I guess they got rid of some of them. But you can see not only the site's big, but they're all paved and beautiful grass. And here comes our site, Site 16. There's dawn and breaking dawn.